Students, today we are going to study the chapter Combustion and Flame. So let's begin with our first topic. Students, our first slide is about combustion. So what is combustion? The answer is combustion is the scientific word for burning. In a combustion reaction, a substance reacts with oxygen from the air and it transfers energy to its surrounding environment in the form of light and heat. That is why we see flames when things start burning. One important combustion reaction is that of methane. Methane reacts with oxygen from the air and produces either a hot blue or an orange type of flame. Now let's continue with the slide of combustion. The energy that the reaction produces can be used in the heating of water, cooking of food, generating electricity, or even powering vehicles. The products of combustion reactions are the compounds of oxygen that are called as the oxides. Since methane is made up of atoms of carbon and hydrogen are included in the making of atoms of methane. The products of its combustion reactions are called as the oxides of carbon and hydrogen. The name of these oxides are carbon dioxide and water. Students, next slide is about process of burning of different types of fuels. Combustion of certain fuels is accompanied with the production of sound as well. In the combustion of certain fuels, the sound also produces. The sound produced may be a hissing sound, crackling sound, or the very explosive sound. The flame on a burner in which LPG or CNG, LPG is a liquefied petroleum gas and CNG is the compressed natural gas, is on fire, produces only here and light of heat. That is blue flame. In the burning of a ribbon of magnesium, if you burn the ribbon of magnesium, when the tip of the magnesium ribbon is kept on flame, it takes a little time to get heated. It takes some time to get heat. And after that, it starts burning with a glowing flame. With a very high flame, it starts burning. That is by liberating heat and light and producing white color smoke. Students, what are combustible substances? Combustible substances are those substances which burn in air to produce heat and light. That means when these substances comes in contact of the air, they produces heat and light. Examples of combustible substances are a piece of paper, a fabric, a straw, a camphor means kapoor, wood, coal, charcoal, kerosene oil, petrol, diesel, liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, compressed natural gas, etc. are some of the common examples and the most important examples of combustible substances. Whereas the non-combustible substances are those substances which do not catch fire on bringing a flame near them or on placing them on fire, are non-combustible substances, means they do not catches fire easily. Some common examples of non-combustible substances are water and sand are the most common substances which cannot be put on fire, and these are the best example of non-combustible substances. So, types of combustion. In this slide, we will discuss about two types of combustion. The first is rapid combustion. The combustion in which the gas burns rapidly means very fast, and produces heat and light, is called rapid combustion. For example, when a burning matchsticks means matches, is brought near a gas burner and the gas tap is opened, the gas immediately starts burning with the production of heat and light. When we catches the fire in the matchstick, it automatically catches the flame and start producing heat and light. The best example of rapid combustion is petrol, LPG, spirit, etc. The next type of combustion is spontaneous combustion. This combustion in which no external heat is given is known as spontaneous combustion. That means no external, only internal heat is provided and they starts burning. For example, burning of white phosphorus in air is the best example of a spontaneous combustion. type of combustion is explosive combustion. As the name suggests, it is explosive in nature. The combustion in which large amount of gases are evolved with the production of a tremendous amount of heat and light and sound also is called as explosive combustion. For example, when a cracker is ignited, when we fire the cracker, a sudden reaction oxidation process takes place in which at high speed large amount of gas is evolved with the production of tremendous amount of heat, light and sound. The next and the last type of combustion is the slow combustion, burning of wood, coal, wax, candle. If we fire the candle, the slow combustion will take place, or such other materials is the best example of the slow type of combustion. Last slide is, students, conditions necessary for combustion. Necessary factors required for a combustion reaction to take place are: first is a combustible or the flammable substances, the substances which can be burnt, for example wood, petroleum, etc. Ignition temperature. Ignited temperature is also important. The fuel must be at or above this ignition temperature, that is the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire. The third necessary step is a gas that is a supporter of combustion, and the gas will be the oxygen gas. An abundantly supply of such gas is required. That means the huge amount of supply of this gas is required for the combustion process.